Dear student, today we learn about optative sentence and exclamatory sentence. How can we change direct speech into indirect speech? So first of all, we know about what is optative sentence. Optative sentence is a sentence in which we can express wish, bless, pray, curse, etc. Now, how can we change direct speech into indirect speech? We have to follow few rules to change direct into indirect speech. Rule first, said change into according to the sense of reported speech as wished, blessed, prayed, etc. Second rule, remove comma, inverted commas and use that, to, for, etc. as a connecting word. You can use as connecting word that, to, for, etc. If exclamatory mark has been used or given in the last of the sentence, it will be removed. Means exclamatory mark will be removed from there and used full stop in the end of the sentence. This is basic rule. Change direct into indirect. Now know about few examples here. How can we change this sentence? He said to me, may you live long, direct. He prayed that I might live long. Said, convert into prayed. Remove comma and double inverted comma, use that. And may change into might. According to the me, you change into I. This is indirect speech. He prayed that I might live long. Now, second example. He said, may you succeed, my son. She wished that her son might succeed. Now, next sentence, here the exclamatory sentence. How can we change exclamatory sentence direct into indirect speech? Let first off know about what is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence is a sentence in which we can express happy, joy, sorrow, applaud, delight, wonder, etc. We can express our feelings. Change direct speech into indirect speech. Rule first, reporting verb set change into exclaimed with sorrow, delight, joy, applaud, confessed, prayed, wished, etc. We can use as the according to the sense of reported speech. We can use this. Exclaimed with sorrow, delight, prayed, etc. Now, remove comma and inverted commas. Use connecting word that. If exclamatory sentence start with what and how, this will converted into very or great. If exclamatory sentence start with what and how, so you can start convert this word into very and great. Example here, few example. He said, what a beautiful sight. Means in this sentence, the exclamatory sentence start with what. So, convert into very or great. He exclaimed, said change into exclaimed with joy. Means what a beautiful sight, it shows the joy. So, he exclaimed with joy. Use connecting word that. It was a very, means what, convert into very beautiful sight. Now, She said, alas, I undone. I am undone. She said, alas. Alas, I am undone means, alas, I am undone shows the sorrowness. So, she is claimed with sorrow and use connecting word that she